I don't know if I'm gonna actually make this video, but I'm just gonna start filming it just in case it turns out really funny. But I got myself a repair kit, a new screen, my broken ass phone, and these are the tools. And I'm gonna try and take this screen that doesn't work off and replace it with the new one. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm gonna be watching this video on YouTube while it's doing it, so maybe I can do it correctly. Okay. I don't have a reprogram, whatever that is, so I'm hoping it's not gonna come to that. I'm also hoping I'm not gonna break whatever is inside here, because I have not backed up my phone, so that could be very critical. But okay, the first thing it does is get one of these tiny screw thingies. I don't know which one, so let me just try. Also, it's not the best. Was not it? Oh, this works. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Okay. I'm really scared I'm just gonna lose all of these tiny pieces. I have to do this on my camera when I'm mounted to the telescope, like using tiny tools. So I probably had a similar tool, but if I know Apple correctly, they made these screws specifically so you would need this tool and no other tool works. I'm just guessing, but it is Apple after all. Now, what do I do with these screws so that I don't lose them? Just a tiny box. I don't know if this is smart because it is the same color, but at least I know where it is. So, I don't know if he used one of these things, but I don't know if that's correct. And then he also heated it up. But let me just try and see if I can lift it up carefully. Nope, with this. He says to heat it up, but I don't want to put it in the microwave, and I don't know how else. Oh, this is really fast, which is probably not a good. I feel like I'm breaking it. See there? I don't know if you can see that, but I feel like I just broke it, and that's not supposed to happen. Lift it up, so I need to be able to lift it up more. But I did it. Okay, now let's see. I gotta open it the right way. Oh, it's still. I opened it. It doesn't look the same as it does on his. So I don't know what I'm supposed to take off here. Just do that anyway. Is this even the right tiny? Look at this. How the heck? Please focus, camera. There, you see all those tiny screws? Okay, so can you stand like that, phone? Okay, hope you can see me. So I ordered some stuff so that I can actually open up the screws because there was not enough in this pack. So let me just see if this is the correct one, because then I can send back the other ones that I got. Nope, it's too big. Okay, now I'm glad. But this is the triple O, I think. Or is it just YO? Now let me open this. They're like I just realized as I'm editing that I never actually showed you this. Ooh. So I'm just gonna like show you everything that's inside. All of these and all of these tools. Okay, now let's see again if this is gonna fit. Yeah, hallelujah! Look at that. It works. Okay. Are you still filming? Yep. Okay. No. Goes there. Oh baby, these tiny ones you cannot lose these, okay baby? You gotta not be in the way for this, please. Baby, I'm like doing surgery on my phone here. And you're just scrolling by it like it was nothing. There we go. Oh, I gotta actually take those off as well, it seems. Did this pop the right direction? Also, I forgot to mention that if you like cool mask designs, then link in bio. Yes, this one goes here. Now I gotta unscrew these as well. Baby, hang on. I'm a little bit preoccupied. I want those two. Hang on, just let me get this screw, baby, and I'll open the door for you, okay? Now, this one should come off. Yep. And this one should come off. Yes! Now, I only need to take that one off. I feel like I should be watching the video so I know that I'm doing it correctly, but I don't know, I feel like I remember. Oh no, does this not fit in here? Oh yeah, it does, okay. Oh yeah, and I forgot to release it from here as well. Okay. It's definitely a wide grip, but it's almost like... Or maybe I actually took that screw out and that's just a hole. How do I get this one off? Okay, I'm gonna go back to the video. So before I even got to the video, I'm realizing I'm supposed to take this off from here and not from there. So I might have destroyed it by tugging at it, but is this the right one for this screw? So it looks, sorry about that. It looks like he's just yanking these parts out, which looks so scary and difficult, but maybe that's not the tool for the job. I have to... Oh no, that's not good, that's gonna ruin it. Oh, maybe... He's like yanking these ones out, right? Are they coming off? Oh, I feel like I'm destroying it by doing this. I mean, if it doesn't work, it's just a true tone. I don't really care that much if that gets wrecked, but... Ooh, I did it! It comes off. I took off my broken screen. Okay, now the real difficulty begins. So now I gotta attach the new one. Okay, hang on. Okay. Now, I don't want to wreck this screen. I'm hoping I can do this, but I'm kind of scared. Okay, new screen. And you need tools just to open the box and the screen comes in. Ooh, okay. This way. And this one goes here, right? How do I know if I'm attaching it properly? Oh my god, these details, man. Lean this on something. Sorry. Okay, and then he does this. Yeah, that goes here. How on earth am I supposed to get that back in? I think I did it. Next up. It's magnetic, so if I don't do it properly, it just keeps getting back up. Okay, I have successfully, I think, I don't know if it works, but attached that piece. That it works. The way that he just slams these down like it's nothing. Goes here. This whole process is so finicky. Before I do that, I need like 3 hands. I'm gonna get an extra hand to do this. Because I need to hold that in place whilst doing this. Which is not possible because I don't have enough hands. I can't do anything about that without having something to lean the screen on. So hopefully that works, okay? My cat wants to come in. Don't disturb. It keeps catching the screw on the side instead of on top. Okay. Look at that. I just assembled this piece connecting to the new screen, and now I gotta do this one and put these tiny freaking screws back in. Can you even see that? Okay, let's go. I can do this. Okay, I hope I got it. Otherwise, I might have destroyed it. Who knows? Just gonna put this back on and hope that it works. My plan was to at least try and be funny while I'm doing this, but this is so intense. I don't know if this video is gonna make it to upload, but I wonder how many times you can like unscrew these and change out the screen before the screws are just gonna be like, nope, not doing this anymore. And you gotta either switch out the screws or buy a new phone. Okay, as unbelievable as it is, I think I just reconnected everything that I disconnected. Now he has like this thing that he puts around to glue it back together, and he takes off the other glue. I don't have that glue. I will try and take off, but is that even smart to take it off if I need it to stick? I kind of feel like I should just leave the glue on, kind of, because I don't have this glue thing to put it back together with. So let me see what he does.
Ready to be
Fine,
sealed down.
I'll give it a
Once all the adhesive strips have been...
He puts it down, and then starts to squeeze it down at the top where the buttons are, and then moving down. Why does it not want to go in here? There's something blocking it. Oh, yeah, okay. I don't want to break my new screen, so I'm trying to do this in the right way, but it really doesn't want to come down on that side. Okay, maybe I got it there. Oh my god, if this works, oh shit, there's a, like, what's that? Maybe I just need to squeeze the screen on real good. There's a little bit of a wobbly situation there. I also don't know if this is as far down as it goes. Oh, actually it goes further, okay. Why is it not going further down in here? Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. And then for those, there's one of these guys, right? I think this one, if I'm not mistaken.